Welcome to the unboxing of the Lenovo Chromebook Duet. We got the Wi-Fi Icy Blue plus Iron Gray 64GB entry level version. Let's see. It's powered by a MediaTek P60T octa-core at 2 GHz. There is the small tablet. Here's the blue variant with the gray. Here we got a nice lash to get out hopefully the keyboard dock. Here it is. A lot of plastic. Again. Click pad with a hinge on top, so clickable on from here on. Then we got the cover. Nice fabric, although there's a clear line visible and feelable. Snaps on magnetically. Quite good holding up. And yeah, that's why we can feel that. Then we got a quick start guide. Not much information, typically for Lenovo. And the power adapter with the European plug. It is 5 volts, 2 amps, 10 watt. And cable, USB-A for the power adapter to C, and lovely USB-C to headphones adapters in the box. So let's see. That's what in the box. We have the pogo pins, and it snaps in place quite nicely, similar to the iPad Pro, but you can't angle the keyboard, so that's just one angle. And not the best fit there, so you could scratch the top. Let's see, first boot up. Oh, here we got the power key. And nothing. Here the USB-C charging port. Oh, now it's coming up. And on the other side, nothing. On the top bottom we got the pogo pins for the keyboard, and on top we got the microphone and the speakers. So, thank you for watching.